Hi guys, got a few new locks in recently from various sources. I got these three from Pete from UKLS. This is an Era 6-pin double Euro. I do like these Eras, they're probably my favourite picking locks. There's another one there, half Euro, different bitting on it. And also this, what does it say on there? Adam's Right Euro, and that's a 5-pinner. I've not attempted one of those before, so interesting to see how we get on with that. This was from eBay. It's a Yale 851, absolutely gorgeous lock. Not been much of a fan of Yale's up until receiving this, but this is kind of changed my mind. It's really solid, heavy piece of brass, 5 pins. No idea what that would be like to pick, but I'll certainly give it a try. A couple more half Euros from Tonka. This is a dimple lock. No, the other one's a dimple lock. This is a 6-pin all good half Euro. Yeah, kind of sharp edges in there. I've not been able to pick that yet. And this is the dimple lock. I can't remember what that symbol, who that represents, but it's yeah, I've not attempted that yet. And last but not least, got another one of these little kiosk padlocks, well known to you all, I'm sure. Good, yeah, good fun little picks. Only £3 for that. Speaking of money, this was only £13. There's a guy selling a bunch of them. They've all gone now, I'm afraid, on eBay. They're normally kind of 70 quid, so absolute bargain. So I'm going to attempt to pick one of these now. I think we'll go for this half Euro one. Let's get that in the vise and get it picked. Alright, so let's have a look at the bitting again. Not too bad. That works as it should. Now I'm going to use open side tension. I've started using this little Z wrench a bit more. It's quite good for certain types of locks where the pins aren't too high up in the core. Okay, so let's get set up, start at the back. And I'll click on pin 6. Nice light tension with this. Just ease those pins in place. If you're wondering about these plasters on my fingers, I had a little accident at work today with some broken glass. Fortunately, only minor. It is but a flesh wound. Okay, clicks from pin 1 there. Gives us a false set. False set again. Got it properly that time. A nasty habit of going a bit long with the pick lately. End up pushing the pin beyond And trying to set a spool. Okay, to pin 2. Turn it again. Let's try that again. Oh dear. Can I hash this? Okay, pin 6. Very talkative lock, that, very forgiving. May even let some of my inept skills today open it. Okay, there we go. Open on pin 2. Made a right meal of that. Probably a couple of spools in there. I'm not going to gut the lock. Thanks for watching, guys.